Well, in this city update, I'm joined today by Anthony Ramsey. He's with the Parks and Recreation. He's in charge of a lot of the special projects that we have going on with building projects. And we're here today on Linear Park. Now, I know you guys have been really busy getting this section of Linear Park reopened, because I think the last time I was here was right during Hurricane Matthew, and the water was pretty much as high as we are now. And I washed out a section of the trail. So tell me what you've done so far here on Linear Park.
Well, this section here is one of the nicest sections. That's where the two creek meets, and we have an overlook here, and it was closed off from the hurricane. So we had a meeting with the committee, and they decided, what can we do to open this back up? So what we did, we add another sidewalk to get you up to Grove Street that will open this area up where you can ride a bike on through, take the sidewalk to Grove Street, and to Ann, to Gale, and you back on the trail again in the wooded area.
And Gale, for those who don't know, is on the back side of the cemetery. So you kind of go to the edge of the cemetery, you follow that road,
Right.
and you'll find where you can pick up that trail. And I think it's interesting that you said bicycle, because there's another project you're getting ready to start right now as well.
Yes, we calling it the Linear Park Cape Fear Connector. And that's about 28 to 3,500 feet in the wooded area that connects you to the river trail.
And this is going to be boardwalk and stairs, or a bridge, or?
Well, it's going to be matter of fact, it's going to be a bridge that gets you back up the slope, and most of it going to be at grade on asphalt. Then we already got a part that is already finished that meanders around the wooded area that ties you into the river trail.
Okay, so once this is all done, and the new section that connects both halves of the Cape Fear River Trail, you'll be able to bike all the way from downtown Fayetteville on trails and paths like this, all the way up to Jordan Soccer Complex.
That's correct.
Conceivably.
That's correct.
So that's really busy. You guys have been a lot of busy and a lot of projects going on. And I talked to an engineer earlier today. They got another section. There was a section of the Cape Fear Linear Park that was actually washed out during Hurricane Matthew. And so it's a big project to get that repaired. And I understand they've awarded the contract to a contractor, and they're going through the final stages to begin that construction. And it's a $7 million construction project to put in some retaining walls. Yeah, some sheet walls, the retaining walls, shore it up, get that open, and then so it's going to take about 13 months once construction begins. But then that'll help also complete the trail, and you're also going to be fixing some of the stairs on the other end.
Correct.
As well. So kind of bring back Linear Park back to what it was when Harry Shaw, first developed this. And I understand there's another big news in there as well, right?
Yes, we just received his bronze plaque, and matter of fact, going to be about 100 feet from where we were standing. We're going to build a monumental platform to put the plaque on, so as you walk past this area, you'll see his plaque with his picture on it and a little history of Mr. Shaw on that plaque.
And we're renaming the park as well.
Yes, we renamed it to Harry F. Shaw Cross Creek Linear Park.
That's a great, I think, tribute to somebody who, for those who don't know, he was so instrumental literally making this park a reality, who pushed hard and got it to become what it is today. So it's really exciting to see it come back to what his vision was.
That's right.
And to have it named in his honor. Well, I want to thank you for coming on and talking to us about all the changes and everything you got going on. And I want to thank you for watching.